What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls, flakes, even candies. Sometimes we shoot them over top. We create new colors that you guys get to rate. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. Today I got my fender prepped up behind me. I got 2 Rustoleum colors, gloss black and Rustoleum orange, and we're going to be shooting a real cool golden pavilion. It's a golden color shift over top of these 2 colors, and over the orange, gold's always a really cool go-to. It gives you kind of that Lamborghini orange. I've done it in plenty of other episodes, but this is a color shift today, so I'm real curious to see what it does. And over gloss black, you always get a good effect, so I think it's going to be a really cool spray out, and I'm excited. So let's jump into today's video, and let's put some Rustoleum on this fender. Alright guys, so now I got my 2 cool Rustoleum colors laid down, and it's time for what we all came to see, the pearl. Golden Pavilion by Eye Candy Pigments. A very cool gold pearl. It does look like it kind of shifts a little bit from like golds to oranges and reds. So I think it's going to complement that orange today. And over black, well, you know how it is. These color shifts, the white particle, it don't matter what it is. It usually looks interesting or cool over black. So as far as how much I'm putting in the mix today, I'm using my Finish 1 Clear 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium hardener. I'm going to do 5 ounces total in the mix, and we'll see if I can't get half a teaspoon of this Golden Pavilion to dump in the mix. I'll put that in there. I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so Golden Pavilion, very vibrant gold looking color shift. And this is what it looks like in the mix, so let's get stirring. And instantly, it looks like a honey color. It looks like a pearl I've seen before, but man, it's definitely interesting. I even see some hints of green at certain angles. You see that? It's kind of wild. Man, I think this is going to look crazy over that orange and over that gloss black, but there's only one way to really find out, right? Let's get the V-bore gun loaded up, and let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun loaded up with some of this Golden Pavilion Eye Candy color shift today. This is my V-bore gun. It's got a 1.4 tip. I shoot a 28 PSI wide open trigger. If you decide to replicate my settings, we're going to do a light coat first as usual and make sure we don't have any reactions. Then we're going to put 2 or 3 follow-up coats on it until we get the desired effect. We'll take it outside in that sun and we'll see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so that's Golden Pavilion by Eye Candy Pigments over Gloss Orange Rustoleum and Gloss Black Rustoleum. Man, it almost looks kind of like a solid version of Monitor Lizard over this Gloss Black, and over the orange, well, you guys know me. Anything with gold over orange is always a win for me. But ultimately, it's not up to me. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is spray out for today. Golden Pavilion Eye Candy Colorshift over Gloss Orange and Gloss Black. Now, over that Gloss Black, it didn't disappoint. It looks like a solid pearl version of Monitor Lizard, a past pearl we shot over, which is really cool. It has that kind of mood ring effect. It shifts all kinds of different colors. And over orange, the gold dominated, but I was kind of thinking it might do that, which that's perfectly fine because who doesn't love a good gold pearl over top of orange? And it did have a little bit of a blue to green shift over it at certain angles, which is fine. I mean, it complemented the orange great, but ultimately, it ain't up to me, guys. It's up to you. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you want to spray with Golden Pavilion Eye Candy Pigments on your next spray out, or just your next car or whatever in general, links will be in the description. I am an affiliate with Eye Candy, so I can get you guys a discount. You can click my links, or at checkout you can enter WAW Candy while Candy or WAW Shop while Shop, and you'll get your discount, and it goes to help out the channel. Also, if you like this Finish One Clear I've been using, or the paint gun, or anything else you see me use on the channel, guys, links will be in the description as seen on YouTube. You click that link, it takes you to my Amazon store where you can buy everything I use there. We do get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get the reliability and Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. If you made it this far in the video today and you like what I'm doing and you want to continue seeing crazy spray outs like this, because they're only going to get crazier, trust me, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. Drop me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what crazy spray out combination you'd like to see next that we haven't done on the channel yet. And yeah, well, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.